Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to fold blankets like a pro with this unbelievable life hack. I'll be going over a simple, easy to memorize way to fold blankets, and this way allows the blanket to stay together and it looks awesome as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with one side over here. We're going to fold it over and then back onto itself. So once again, just to show you, we folded it over and then back onto itself, just like that, okay? You want to make sure it's nice and relatively even, just like that. So we have this part right here, it's folded onto itself. Now we're going to take this side and we're going to fold this edge into the middle, roughly. You want to get it as close as possible to the middle, just like that. So it goes into the middle. Now we're going to get this other edge, and I'll move the blanket slightly. We're going to fold this edge into the middle as well, just like that, okay? So we've now folded the edges into the middle. We have this sort of crease and seam in the middle right over there, okay? Now we're going to take this and we're going to fold it in half onto itself. So once again, the side with all of the extra folds is over here, and then that's just the thinner side, okay? So we're folding it onto itself just like this, okay? Now what we have is a thicker side with all of these extra folds and a thinner side right over here with just a couple of folds. This is the side that was folded onto itself. What we're going to do now, we're going to take this side, the thicker side with all the extra folds, we're going to bring it over and fold it roughly in thirds, okay? Now at this point, all that we need to do is find an opening in here. So I'm going to take this opening right over here that's completely sealed, basically, okay? So you can see we have an opening right here. And I'm going to take this part and I'm just going to bring it back just a little bit like that. We're going to take this part and we're going to actually tuck it into there. So I'm taking this part and I'm tucking it into there. And tuck it in there nice and deeply. Because what's going to happen is we are essentially folding the blanket into itself. As you can see, it looks absolutely gorgeous. You flip it over, it looks incredible. It's going to stay put. It doesn't come out. And you can fold many blankets like this and stack them. And the more that you tuck it in there, the tighter that it's going to be, just to be clear. If I spent the time and folded this really tightly, it would be nice and tight. And you can get all your blankets like this. You can fold them up. It prevents them from getting wrinkled. It prevents them from getting creased for the most part. In addition, it just allows them to stay together and it just looks awesome. When you have to go pick up your blanket, if it's not folded like this, you pick up your blanket, it usually falls apart. But if you need to pick it up to move it, you pick it up like this. You can go ahead and move it like this and it's not going to come apart. As you can see, I'm tossing it everywhere and it's pretty much staying put. So that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.